Hello guys. So today we'll be talking about how you can automate your work. So what do I mean when I say automate your work? For example, if you want to have your own ChatGPT, custom ChatGPT, maybe for work, for anything that you might need, your mentor, your business coach, whatever that you are busy with in your life. Today we are going to build exactly that. So the programs that we'll be using n8n, we'll be using Groq for the API, but you can use your OpenAI, you can use your um, any kind of Anthropic, any AI model that you want to use. Then for you're going to use SERP API for latest release and for Google search. Also, we are going to use what do we call that thing? Lovable, we are going to use it to create our own UI. So for user interface and user experience, we are going to use Lovable. Then we are going to prompt it using ChatGPT. So ChatGPT will assist us to prompt the prompt that we are going to give to Lovable, and to yeah, that's what it's basically going to do. So on the first step, what you are going to do, you are going to start by creating a webhook. You're going to start by creating a webhook. So that's what you're going to do. Let's go here and create a webhook. So the webhook will use the post method. So when we use the post method, this webhook will take this URL and put it on the Lovable. So on the Lovable, when we enter our message, it will be go to this URL. Then this URL will be able to access our webhook, which is so it will be able to access our AI agent. You understand, by sending the message. So for authentication, for now, we are going to leave it. The respond, we are going to make it node, using node response. Then here I will going to say AI assistant. Sorry about that. Assistant. So I'm going to call it AI assistant so that this URL can be easily readable, can be easy and readable. So I'm going to drag it up here. Then I'm going to add a, as you can see here, it says advanced AI. So I'm going to add this advanced AI, and I'm going to add the AI agent. So what we are going to use this AI agent for is we are going to use this AI agent for chat model, memory, and a tool. So a tool, we are going to use SERP AI to access latest data. So without wasting time, let me explain and do things. So here on the source for prompt, we are going to say define below. Then on this define below, then we are going to define our prompt. So for now, we are going to accept the JSON body message. Yeah, for now, we're going to accept the JSON body message, which is here. If you need everything, you'll get it on the comment section. And also, I will create a community where you guys will be able to access this kind of things. So don't worry about how to get this. But if you are following along, please copy exactly what I do on the screen. I'll make sure to show you everything that I do. So after this, define below, I'll come here on options, no priority. So I'll say add a priority and say system message. So as you can see, here you can prompt it as you like, but please follow along with my prompt. So I created a prompt so that it can know what kind of an agent it is. So here's my prompt. Let me enlarge my screen so that you can see the full prompt. So here's my prompt. My prompt reads like this: You are a helpful business mentor assistant. Provide 5-sentence response. If a search is needed, use the SERP API. Like I told you, you are going to use the SERP API tool to gather information. When explaining steps or processes, start each bullet point on a new line. So yeah, basically this is my prompt. So I'm going to take this prompt. So right now, as you can see, this thing needs a chat model. So for chat model, you can use one of this, like I explained, DeepSeek, but you can find DeepSeek inside a Groq chat model. You can find Mistral inside the Groq chat model. You can find Olama inside the Groq chat model. So that's why I'm going to use the Groq chat model. Then I'm going to say create credentials. then I have to upload the Groq credentials there. So yeah, I'm going to go to my Groq account. So on my Groq account, I'm going to go to the playground. As you see, I already have an account there. I'm going to go to the playground, go to an API, then create the API. So this API, I'm going to call it AI assistant. So also verify if you are human, that submit. So after I submit this, you see it gave me my API. So I'll go to the platform, then do this. So sometimes if you don't have access to the Groq website, you can simply go to open document. After you do open documents, you will see here. So after this, you can say create a Groq account. After creating a Groq account, it will take you to playground. So when you're at the playground, you can go to API keys and create your own API key. So it's as easy as that. So yeah, let's continue. So as you can see here, I'm going to use DeepSeek 70B, but you can use any AI model that you want. It also work. Any AI model will work. So I'm done with this one. So for the memory, I'm going to use a simple memory, but sometimes, or like it differs. Sometimes it shows that Windows memory. So if you don't see simple memory, but you see Windows memory, please use the Windows memory. So I'll say define below also. Then I'll copy the prompt of define below for simple memory. Then I'll paste it here. So here it is. If you want to see it, here it is. If you're following along, you can pause the video and copy it. So yeah. So I'm done defining the memory. So right now we have to add the SERP API. The SERP, as you can see here, it's SERP API. Then I have to create the SERP credentials because I didn't have SERP credentials yet. So I'll say open doc. After opening doc, create our SERP API. So right now I'm going to register on SERP. Then registering on SERP, I'm going to use my GitHub for SERP registration. But you can use your Google account. As you saw there, it has a Google account. You can either use your Google account or whatever. But for me, currently, I'm going to use my GitHub. Couldn't create the account. Please active. So I think my network was off. But let's retry it again. That has to work. Let's retry. So I don't know, guys. It seems like okay, guys. So it's giving me problems, but on your side, I think you will be able to create the SERP account. So on my side, it tells me about the error on my network. So I think it's network error, but yeah, I will continue. But I already have a SERP API on a separate page, so I will take the already created SERP API that I have. So yeah, I'll use my existing SERP API. Let's go here. Yeah, I'll upload it here, then save. So to see that your API is working, you have to see this. You understand? This is what you have to see. So yeah, the SERP API is connected. So lastly, we'll also need a webhook. So this webhook, it's called a respond to webhook. So this one, it will return all the data. So that's why we'll say all incoming items. So all the data that will be coming from here, then it will show them here as an output. So this will be the response. This will also connect to our what do we call? This will also connect to our UI that we will create on Lovable. So currently our AI is done. Our agent is done. As easy as that. You understand? So right now let's continue. Right now let's continue to create Lovable. So go to your lovable.dev and sign in to Lovable. Then for me, I've already signed in. Then I have a prompt also for Lovable. You can prompt your prompt according to how you want it to be, but for me, I already have a prompt for it. I will upload it just now. I already have a prompt that I need Lovable to follow. So I'll take my prompt. Yeah, I'll take my prompt. Yeah, give me a second, guys. Give me a second. I'm copying my prompt from somewhere. Oh yeah, here's my prompt. I was looking for it, by the way. Yeah, here's my prompt. So I'll take my prompt, upload it here. After I uploaded my prompt, then I will click on enter. Then, but before I click on enter, I want to switch the, what do you call? Where is it? Okay, I'm going to switch this. As you can see, this is not my URL. So where I'm going to get my URL is on the webhook. So I'll take this webhook URL. You can see when you say production URL. So this time I'm going to use the test URL. Then I'll show you how to use the production URL on the end of the video. I'm going to the end of the video. So right now I'm going to use the test URL. So every time when I use the test URL, I have to click on test workflow. But yeah, that's how I'm going to use the test URL. So I'm going to switch this URL with my URL. So as you can see, here is my URL. Then make sure that everything is fine. There's nothing that I need to remove. Then yeah, I think everything is fine. So I should just click enter. And let's wait for Lovable to do its stuff. So while Lovable is doing this, I suggest you go grab a coffee, go grab. So one thing about Lovable, it gives you 5 prompts per day. You understand? It gives you 5 prompts per day. So I will suggest that you use them wisely. Don't just prompt and expect the response. Unless you are on a premium plan, then you can do that. But they give you 5 prompting per day. You understand? As you can see here, they're giving you 5 daily credits. You understand? So currently we'll wait for it to finish. Then I'll see you after it's done. So yeah, guys, as you can see, Lovable is done. It's done creating. Oh, what a beautiful UI. But it seems like it got some few errors. It got some few problems and errors. But yeah, we're going to fix them. Firstly, let's test our chat, because that's what we are here for, and it seems like the error is coming from there. So yeah, let's try and fix that light build icon. So try to fix it. Yeah, let's try and fix it again with Lovable. So I guess we have to wait for it to fix. But I don't like it because it's taking away my credit. So it will take 1 credit for it to fix. So that's one thing that is boring. But Lovable is a great platform, guys. Lovable is a great platform. As you can see, it fixed the error. So for us to run the project, we have to come here and say test workflow. So when we test workflow, then we have to go back to Lovable. And as you can see, it's loading. After it loads, so let me check this and do this. Then let's see what it does. I doubt that it's going to give us the response that we want. I am shocked. Oh, wow, it gave us. Phew. That's what I was shocked. But you see here, but I don't think it's generating the correct thing that we wanted. It's not generating the text that we wanted, guys. I am disappointed. Let's check again on webhook. Develop strong business plan. So we are going to check for develop a strong business plan, but I doubt that it generated what we wanted. So this is not what we wanted, guys. This is not what we wanted. How to secure funding for a startup. So let's go to ChatGPT again. Let's go to ChatGPT. I'm going to give the prompt. I'm going to give it the prompt that I gave to Lovable. Then I'll tell it. Okay, you know what? Let's not go to ChatGPT. Let's just prompt it on Lovable to say type, please. I can receive the message sent, and I want you to retrieve the output from n8n and also allow bulleting and numbering. Make sure the response always fits the question asked. So after I gave it this prompt, I'm going to click enter. Hopefully it assists and fixed our error, because we had an error, guys. We got an error, so hopefully it will fix the error, guys. So let's I'm going to speed up the video so that it can fast build. Then we'll see you once it's done correcting the error. So yeah, it's done, guys. It's done. It says it's done. I'm not sure. I haven't tested it, but it says it's done. So let's run it. Let's delete the previous workflow and let's run it. Then let's check, guys. Sorry about that. This is my recording platform. Where is Lovable? Here's Lovable. So yeah, let's run it, guys. Let's ask it about the pricing strategy and let's check. Let's see. Okay. But it doesn't allow bolting yet, so there's a problem with that. But so far we are getting the correct response that we asked about, guys. So let's verify. Okay, it accepts bolting, but not on every single thing. But yeah, it accepts bolting, guys. So let's check if that's the response. Assess your experience and skills. I'll show you how to search to show that this is the correct response. So I'll go to Control F, then I'll put this. So yeah, this is the correct response, guys. As you can see here, it says 1 of 1. You understand? So that means we got a correct response. As you can see, assess your experience and skills. But we need to remove this asterisk. You understand? This asterisk, this means bolting, like this text will be bold, like here, as you can see here, it accepted the bolding. Understand? So yeah, but so far so good, guys. So far so good. So let's see if it accepts our voice record messaging. Please tell me about my business. Yeah. Like that one, I was expecting it. But for this, if you want to use this speech to text, so what you can do is that you can go to 11labs.io, register. Then after you register, I've done it before. Yesterday I was busy creating my own Java's agent. I'll release its video yet. So as you can see, it has speech to text. You understand? So whenever you need speech to text, you don't need text to speech, you need a speech to text. Then as you can see, create transcript file and stuff. But what you need to do is to come here and get the API, guys. Get the API. So let me come here quick, so that I can get the API. God, where do we get this API? I forgot 11 labs for 2 seconds. Oh yeah, here's the API key, guys. Sorry about that. So you can generate a new API key. So yeah, let me generate a new API key. Speech to text. So create. So I'll take this API key and give it to Lovable. So on Lovable, I will tell it to say, here is the 11 labs API. Make the recording in speech to text be recognized. Then what you're going to do is to paste the API key. Hopefully don't steal my API key, but I'm going to revoke it after this live. So whether you steal it or not. So I'm going to pause again so that the video doesn't become long. I'm going to pause the video until this thing is finished, then we'll come back to it. So yeah, guys, it's done. Like, it's finished. So let's check if it's working. Tell me about the business plan. Failed to transcribe the audio. Please try again later. I don't know why, guys, but this one will fix it on another video, because the video is becoming long. I don't want it to go past 30 minutes, guys. So the video is becoming long. So we are going to update this platform. So I said I'm going to show you the development plan. So what you can do on Lovable is that you can access your code by coming here. As you can see, it went to the code. So try to find your hook. So, or let me do this. Come here. Then if you want to publish this, you can say production ready URL. Then go to Lovable and say, I'll say use this URL to publish. I'll replace with this URL. Sorry, please replace the test URL with this URL. Then I'll give it to Lovable. Then it will do so. So after that, for me, after I've done that, so what I'll do, I'll say this, I'll activate this. I say got it. Then I'll go to execution mode. So after that URL is added, I'll go to execution mode. So what it will do is that you don't have to come to here and click on test every time. So you can run your platform on your where you need. So maybe after you develop this, it's done, then you can add it to your GitHub. Understand? Add it to one of your projects on GitHub and stuff. Then go and find a job with it. Go ahead and find a job with it. So yeah, thanks for coming to this channel, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment if you have to comment. But thank you, guys. Show your likes if you need more videos like this. Comment if you need more videos like this, and subscribe if you need to see more videos like this. Thank you, guys.